Today in Hyderabad, all set for Telangana Rising Global Summit at Bharat Future City. The stage is set for the commencement of the prestigious Telangana Rising Global Summit on December 8th. Amid a spree of flight cancellations, heavily impacting incoming and outgoing air passengers in the state. The summit, that is Telangana Rising Global Summit, is a brainchild of Telangana CM Revanth Reddy Garu. It has been conceived purely as an academic event, showcasing the potential and opportunities offered by Telangana to domestic as well as global industry majors. Governor Jishnudev Verma will formally inaugurate the summit at Bharat Future City, followed by the speeches given by the CM and others. The summit is divided into different sessions, wherein the participants will discuss important aspects relating to the transition of the state into $3 trillion economy by 2047, issues relating to semiconductors and frontier technologies, state as a global education hub, and the rise of aerospace and defense, as well as accessible, affordable, and equitable healthcare for all. So, this is a big thing. Representatives from global majors like Semcorp, McKinsey, and Analog AI, as well as representatives from World Bank, Asian Development Bank, are also expected to attend. It's a big day for Telangana. Telangana Rising Global Summit. Next important news, 25 dead in Goa, nightclub fire. So, a massive fire erupted at a nightclub in North Goa just before midnight of December 7th. And the place is Arpora village, 25 kilometers away from Panaji. It's a nightclub where the probability is there might be explosion of gas cylinder. The absence of emergency exit doors in the nightclub resulted in the space turning into death trap. So entry and exit is very narrow. That is a major reason why so many fatalities occurred. And next important news, US strategy changes in line with our vision, Russia. Russia has welcomed changes in the US national security strategy, saying the adjustments that marked a radical departure from Washington's previous policy were largely consistent with Russia's vision. So, recently, America strategized new national security strategy, which was published on Friday, that is December 6th, took aim at allies in Europe, calling them over-regulated, lacking in self-confidence, and facing civilizational erasure due to immigrations. So, US have released a new national security strategy. Senior US officials begin 5-day visit amid strain in ties. As you all know, India-US trade ties are in strain. At a time when India-US trade ties are in strain, few top officials from America have come to India for bilateral discussions. This is a big thing. And next important news, 150 years of Vande Mataram, Prime Minister Modi to lead debate in Lok Sabha tomorrow. The Lok Sabha will hold a detailed discussion on Vande Mataram today on December 8th. Prime Minister Modi will initiate the debate at 12 p.m., marking the formal beginning of the proceedings. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is scheduled to speak at the conclusion of the discussion. The National Party, that is BJP, has allotted 3 hours of time for its participation in the Lok Sabha debate, while total 10 hours has been earmarked for the discussion about Vande Mataram. Today, there is a discussion on Vande Mataram in Lok Sabha. And this is the most probable prelims question this year. Vande Mataram, the most probable prelims question. Rajnath Singh, our defense minister, inaugurates 125 major border projects worth rupees 5,000 crores in Ladakh. Border security will be strengthened. So these are the important news.